Hey everybody, got a small update. Got the other door in like we was talking about. Ain't done nothing with it yet. Been working on this. Like I said, just a small update. We got that inner rocker panel. It's all welded up now, ground it down. I didn't take a whole lot of time trying to make it smooth and perfect. Gonna put full carpet down anyway, and went ahead and done the back side of that, and the back side of that inner cab corner. Well, the outer portion, what would be inside of there. That way, hopefully, I can get out here and get that outer rocker panel welded on and work on that one, and hopefully that. And then we get enough time, we work on fitting that door on the other side so I can get everything marked out and finished, trimmed on the other side, and get it done up like this side. So I just wanted to shoot a little quick video and give y'all a quick update. And like I said, hopefully tomorrow we'll get this one put in place and welded up, and maybe a little bit more. And we'll upload another video next time we get something done. Thanks for watching.